Intelligence sources now telling your channel that the infiltration attempts are coming down when we talk of the valley. But there are still around 230 to about 250 active terrorists in the valley. Sources also indicating that most of the terrorists at the moment are hiding in Pulwama, in Sopore and in Bandipur. And remember, all these agencies, the investigative agencies, also trying to figure out whether there could be a lot of local support, complicit as far as the survival of these terrorists in the valley is concerned. Significant amount of evidence that perhaps is now out with our intelligence agencies. And Shravan live with us. Shravan, what more do we know about this? And what is the focus then of our investigative agencies, considering that there is a particular module now, I believe, that is out in front of them?
Well, Dipti, this is certainly going to be a hot winter in the valley, given the fact that top intelligence sources now telling Times now that there are about 230 to 250 active militants currently in the valley. Now, remember, the most active among them has to be the Hizbul Mujahideen as well as Lashkar-e-Toiba. With regards to Jaish, we're given to understand that they are still under control, not many of them in the valley itself. Then afterwards, we're also given to understand as far as the areas are concerned. Remember, what the force is currently looking at, they're trying to basically seek contact with these militants who are basically who have gone underground. Remember, the fact is that weather conditions really not suiting at this point in time, but this is the best time that the forces can carry out these operations, and that's the reason why we're given to understand that in the weeks to come the operations would continue, and they're going to ensure that they're going to bring down the militancy numbers. Certainly, if you go by what the JKP, or for that matter even the other forces who are basically involved, they are saying that the numbers certainly are something that is manageable. They have seen at the peak of militancy in the past in the valley, the numbers were far more higher, but currently this seems to be under control. But apart from that, we're also given to understand weapons is something that what the forces have been able to choke. Weapons smuggling has gone down considerably, and we're given
Shravan, there for the moment getting us those exclusive details of the terror module. That's going to be extremely significant as far as the investigation